feel it. So you know, we say with no ego, no entitlement, no ass. We give of ourselves, we sacrifice, we strip down to our soul, and we bury our light for all those underneath the sound of my voice. I cry because and I can't hardly move. I feel like a tree in Selma, Alabama. I feel like a tall tree where one of my people hung from. So I just wanted to just stay solid for you and just deliver that to you. Y'all catch me next time. I'd probably be more entertained if it was heavy on me today. You understand?
All right.
If y'all know anything about me, I've been doing this shit a long time. So I'm down with it. So I ain't trying to sell you short. I care about you. Sometimes I care too much and it hurt.